Tell me more about those trucks on the farm.
Well, I would get fences. They're circle fences. And the circle grabbers and the animals, they're in a dump truck.
The animals are in a dump truck?
Yeah, and that one has keeper closers. It's all black. And it's called a pickup truck.
Wow.
Pickup truck.
What does it pick up?
It picks up animals.
Cool.
Yeah, and then it carries big heavy loads when the animals are out.
Is there a forklift on the farm?
Whoa. No.
Is there an excavator?
Yeah. And it's all black.
Really?
Yes.
An all-black excavator?
Yeah.
Is it a track excavator or a wheel excavator?
Wheel excavator.
Cool.
But it has that black bucket.
Oh, it does?
You remember that?
Yeah.
When we were at the farm?
The black bucket?
Yeah. Dad, do you like to sit in the excavator seat?
Yeah, I do. Do you like to?
Yeah.
What do you have right there? What is this?
Forklift.
Why don't you show the camera what the forklift looks like? Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I just called it keeper clothes.
You call it a keeper clothes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the forklift, the excavator.
Oh, okay.
And I call this and this two healers. They're called healers because they're trucks.
Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.